these niggas wanna know what it tastes like. What it tastes like, yo, what it tastes like, yo. They wanna know what it tastes like, yo. All this ice, it just tastes like snow. Get kimonos and let's fly to Tokyo. Pretty, pretty, please, baby, won't you have this for me?
I got 3 outfits. I have 1, 2, and 3, and I don't know which one to wear. I'm feeling like I'm gonna wear that one, or this one. I don't know. It's like a casual outfit, but yeah. Outfit: 2 top from H&M, shorts from MTO APPAREL, and my shoes are from Stadium Goods. This is a go. This is cute. One with these shoes, but I don't have one of the shoes right now, as you guys can see. So yeah.
So should it be a surprise, Rosemary? Why do you think that Eddie...
Icylinn.
I'm not gonna put on lashes and I'm done, but this company sent me this portable charger, which I'm gonna use because when you go to an amusement park, you always need a portable charger to make sure, you know, your phone is charged all the time, so you can get all the cute moments and stuff. So I'm gonna use this charger. I'm pretty sure you can get it off of Amazon, I think. Comes with the charger, and look how like silky it is. That's how it looks like. It says Poweradd. Wow. The adapter goes right there, and I guess you turn it on like this. But I didn't charge it yet, so. But here it comes, I think, and this is a little case for it, which is so cute. Thank you to the company that sent me this charger. I really appreciate it. I got some lashes from my girl Dyla. Put her company name on the screen. My TV's loud, I'm sorry, but I don't know where the remote is. I'm not gonna turn it off. Oh, she gave me watermelon. She gave me Jolly Ranchers, but my flat iron burned it, melted it. So she gave me 2 business cards. Here's one of them. Shop. Here you go, guys. Put all the like her Instagram and stuff on the screen, but here's the back. You guys, here they are. They're so pretty. So we're gonna put these on. Guys, oh my gosh, my boyfriend, he's taking me to Six Flags, right? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm going to Six Flags today. Duh, that's why I'm getting ready so early. It's like almost 11 o'clock. I was supposed to be at his house at 10. I woke up at 10. I really woke up at 7 because I had a client to do makeup for, because today is Pride. I was gonna go to Pride, but not no more, obviously, right? I go back to sleep. I don't even know why. I don't even remember going back to sleep. I wake back up to his phone call. I'm like, oh my gosh. I should have just got ready at 7. Like, I don't like to rush myself. My first time trying this Morphe setting spray. Been wanting it for so long. Okay, now I'm not putting on my clothes because Kevin just called me and said where I'm at. So yeah, but it's not the top. I'm wearing a top just like this, but this is my like sleeping top, and I want to get this my real one dirty. So here's some makeup. All right, guys. So I left my house. Now I'm on my way. Can't even see yourself. Get in the camera.
Hey, Stink is a punk.
Alright, what you about to do?
About to get on his ride. Regular degular. Got shorty here, she tight.
It's complete, all clear.
I got a pimple. Oh my god.
What's the...
Am I still in the vlog now?
You know the vibe? You know, regular Douglas. What's going on? Explain to them what's going on.
That we have 6 flags?
Yeah, and she a punk.
That ride is not high.
Guys, take a look. It's nothing but a little bizarro, little drop.
That ride is mad long.
Got cousins to ride with me. Right? Stink. What you have to say? Oh, sleeves. Oh. All right. We out of here. You know. Icyy has a little gray fit on. I got the ragga-dagga little ticket. Hey, we back. Back at it. Beautiful, nice weather. Stink, nice, low time. But we out of here. Stinky's gone. Say bye.
Bye. Hey pretties, welcome back. So today's the next day since that vlog for Six Flags was so short. I have like errands to, oh my god. My freaking window like will not stay like open. But anyways, don't mind that in the background. I'm gonna run some errands real quick. Then I'm gonna go to Kevin's house for the rest of the day. And that's gonna be it. So I want to wear this outfit. I'm sure you guys in there. I want to wear this, but I don't know. It's cute, right? But I feel like this is more like for a chill day with my friends, like my nails guys. So yeah, I'm gonna wear this because this and this color matches that color really well. So I'm gonna just wear this and that and my Yeezys or some slides. I have to go to the library first to print out a shipping label for this guy right here, because as soon as I printed out a label for this one, I go back home, somebody orders another thing for my POSHMARK. Then I gotta print that one out, and then I'm gonna go to the post office, drop them off, and then I'm gonna head to Kevin's house from there. So that's gonna be my day. Hey guys, yesterday Kevin like let me play a game, and I got a cake for free. Like everybody won, so it was so cute. I got Harley Quinn, so they didn't have no more Wonder Woman, so that was really cute. Oh my god. Alright guys, so this is what I'm wearing. I changed my outfit, as you guys know. I don't know if I'm wearing the slides or my Yeezys. We're gonna see. But I just got my feet done, so like and I kind of want to cause done, so I want to show it, you know, cause it's cute. But I don't know. We're gonna see. But I have this bag I'm gonna wear, but I'm gonna use the straps today. Oh my god, I got concealer in my hair. Anyways, I gotta get my shipping stuff ready because when I get there, I need to take my shipping label and I don't want to ask them. So I'm gonna get my scissors and everything. Oh my god. I wasn't ready to go. Oh, I'm not even feeling these. Here's how we looking or whatever. I'm not really feeling these glasses anymore. Yeah, these are the shades I'm wearing. Okay, let's go. Found it. Look how pretty. Oh, can't carry that. Oh, should I get one of those? Guys, it's the next day because I forgot to keep filming yesterday, but I'm at AT&T right now. And my mom is getting her phone fixed because she messed it up. I'm just laying on the couch. So guys, we're at Pier 1. They have cute stuff. These are pretty things. Wait, I like this right here. Alright guys, so now we're in, I don't even know what this place is. ShopRite. I'll give me toothpaste because I have sensitive teeth, so I need to use Sensodyne Pony all day, every day. And I'm gonna try this. I'm scared. I don't like dry fruit. I like frozen fruit, which is really not good for you. I heard it could make your stomach hurt, which it does, but it's still good. So I look crazy. Look at my spots. And my mom is picking out fluff. She's mad picky, like, or whatever that like she's flipping out right now, obviously. She's mad picky, so she's taking forever. Alright guys, I was gonna say goodbye, but since I'm home and I remembered to actually vlog, I'm gonna show you guys what I got real quick from my room. So sorry about the lighting. I'm not gonna try to make it look pretty, whatever. This is a vlog. Alright, so I got from Five Below. I went there for trash can, came out with like a lot of things. Of course, you know what's new. So everything is put in here because I didn't feel like holding it, like everything I got. So I decided to put it on here. What my mom did, I had a different bin. Okay, so I got candy. She has some candy too. You know, it's 10 for $1, so I got some candy. Got Toxic Waste. They usually have like Warhead single, but didn't have it this time. They didn't have a lot of candy this time. I was very surprised. I got Toxic Waste, so I feel like I want that more. I got me some makeup brushes, right? These are by Juicy Couture. When did Juicy Couture ever have makeup brushes? Like, look guys, it literally says Juicy Couture. And they're bling ones, like so cute. They're $5 each. Oh my gosh, these ones, look, like they have water on them, and they have water in them, and then like it's glitter. And I'm changing my thing because on my vanity, I haven't done a room tour yet, and I keep on changing my stuff for a room. Yeah, I got me this little thing to put my makeup brushes in. It even says old brushes. This was inside of it, but I took it out just now, you guys saw. But here's what I went there for, and I got. This is so freaking pretty, bro. I'm not even gonna use these brushes. These are just gonna be for show. But honestly, I'm kind of thinking, like, if I'm gonna have these just for show, shouldn't I have like rather had this, because you could actually see. This is dirty. I obviously gotta clean it. I usually clean it like every couple of months, but like, look, it would be way better. It was like this, so you could actually see. I don't know what to do. I think what I'm gonna do. No, I can't keep both. Alright guys, this is what I decided to do. I just kept these, of course, because they're bigger than the ones I had. Like, I need to have more space for my brushes, so keep my new ones in here and my old ones in this one. They look so dirty. I don't know why I didn't order a brush cleaner off that website. Alright guys, so now I decided to use my freaking ring light. Because I was like, this is way too much work. Like, trying to show you guys in the dark. So, I mean, you guys saw I got my trash can. I know you guys saw it, right? Y'all Gucci. So, from Pier 1, I only got like 3 stuff. I was not expecting to buy anything from here. Oh. Okay. Oh, yeah. I got my mom a keychain. It was on sale for only 98 cents. Like, this book, it says, oh my gosh. Hold up. I see why it's on sale. It's falling apart. Oh wow, I see. So this one is not falling apart at all. So this is like 50 Reasons Why I Love You, my mom. So they just put like, you know, what I would love about mom, and then it's like, you inspire me to, like, stuff like that, so you don't gotta think about it. They just kind of help you. So this was so I paid, it's originally $9.95, but then I paid $7 because my mom has like a membership because she just signed up for one. Because I made my mom go to that store because I want her to check it out and stuff, and she actually really likes it. I knew she would. So it's gonna be for my boyfriend for his birthday. It says what I love about blank by blank. Guys, so I'm gonna go to the pool tomorrow. Hopefully, if I do, I'm gonna vlog that. That's gonna be me and Kevin, so that's gonna be on our channel, not mine. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos of me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, pretties.
I don't want you on my page, Blackiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana.